Hi everyone. Today we'll be talking about the administrative aspects of bed management. We covered some basics, but now we're going to go into things such as what happens if a patient leaves a ward temporarily and what happens if a patient needs to be transferred. So let's start with patient leave. With a patient leave, this refers to any instance where a patient might leave the ward to get external treatment, but they are returning. This could also cover scenarios such as trial discharge. How you can reflect a patient leave is that you find the patient on the bed, you right click on them, and in your drop down menu, you're going to the administrative bar. Here you can see two options for patient leave: add patient leave and show patient leave. For show patient leave, that shows us all the leaves that the patient is currently on or they might have in the future. And add patient leave lets us add a new leave. So I'm going to select add patient leave now. Now I get a form that asks me more information about the leave. One, the leave type. If I click, I can see that I have different options like external treatment or trial discharge or other. The expected departure, so I can select the date and I can also select the time, and their expected return. I can add any notes around why the patient might be leaving. For example, I could say they went to Oasis Medical Center for a radiological investigation. I can also say what time they departed as well. I'm going to click OK. And my patient's bed remains white. Now when the patient actually leaves, I can right click, go to administrative, go to show patient leave, right click on that leave and select departed. I can say when they departed and the time. Once I've marked the patient as being departed, their bed is going to turn green. So leave is green, which reminds me of the leaf on a tree. So that's what I used to remember. When Carl returns, I can also mark her as returned as well. I can right click on Carl's bed, go back to administrative, and go to show patient leave. Here I see her leave and I can right click on it and mark her as returned. Again, the system will automatically set her return date and return time, but as per usual, these are editable. I'm going to select OK. And as you can see, the leave disappears. I'm going to click close, and now Carl Martin's bed is white again. To recap, with a patient leave, this covers any instance where a patient is leaving the ward temporarily. You can add a leave, you can amend a leave, you can delete a leave, and you can also show when the patient has left and when the patient has returned.